Question number 8. What type of isomerase is shown by the complex CONH3,5NO2Cl2? In this there are two isomerases. I will tell you one by one. First, in this NO2 has two sides of attract to a central metal atom. So it is an ambidentate ligand, and that's why it is an linkage isomerase. Linkage isomerase, and as there is a combination of two ions, that is chlorine Cl2, similar combinations, so it is an ionization isomerase also. Now let's see what is the answer in next slide. That is linkage and ionization isomerase. So ionization isomerism, the compound which give different ions in the solution although they have same composition are called ionization isomers, and this property is known as ionization isomerase. In the earlier slide you have seen that there is a similar composition, that is Cl. So because of this there is an ionization isomerase, and because of NO2 there is an linkage ionization.